This is a toy I picked up from the trash can. It's very dirty. Today I'm going to clean it up and see what kind of toy it is. Be sure to watch the video until the end. First, let's use my hands to remove the top layer of mud. The mud has dried up, so it's easy to clean. It's a pink toy, and now we can roughly see what it looks like. Now let's clean the mud off its body. Wow, it's really dirty, a thick layer of grime. Oh, its head can move. Judging by the head, this toy should be a rabbit. It's getting hard to clean, so next, it's best to use a toothbrush to scrub it. Even with a toothbrush, it's not easy to clean. Next, rinse the surface with clean water. Rinse the countertop with water. What a cute little rabbit. Let's start cleaning from the head. The ears are still very dirty. All right, there's still a lot of mud on the legs. Next, let's clean the rabbit's legs. The rabbit's tail. Continue cleaning the rabbit's feet. Switch to a different brush. It's easier to clean the hard-to-reach areas. Brushing the rabbit's teeth. Let's clean the rabbit's butt. The rabbit's feet have been cleaned many times, but they still feel dirty. Rinse with clean water. Its feet are so dirty. I've cleaned them so many times my hands are tired. Rinse with water to see if it's clean. Some areas on the head are still dirty, so I'll scrub them repeatedly. Clean the countertop. Finally, rinse off the